simply PDF to Excel converting. We'll use Excel and Word. Let me show you how I do. Just open the PDF. This is the PDF file we're gonna convert into Excel. Okay, so let me open first the Microsoft Word. Let me open Microsoft Word. Browse. Next up, this is the file. So here the instruction pops up. Just make it okay. And then after here, just right click and make it copy. So you have to open now Excel application. Open Excel, open the blank, and you can right click and you can paste it. And here see it's all the file came in the Excel format now. It's pretty easy.